Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase a MacBook Air. First, safeguarding your data is paramount, so begin by backing up everything important on your device. You can use Time Machine within an external drive or a reliable cloud service for this essential step. Make sure your MacBook Air remains plugged into a power source and connected to Wi-Fi throughout the entire process. This preparation prevents data loss and ensures a smooth reset. Next, it is crucial to sign out of all your personal accounts. Go to System Settings or System Preferences, click on your Apple ID, then choose Sign Out to remove your account completely. Remember to also deauthorize your computer from Apple Music, if applicable, to prevent any future licensing issues. Finally, sign out of iMessage and any other communication services you use. This step protects your privacy and prepares the Mac for a new user. Now, let's proceed with erasing the drive. Shut down your MacBook Air, then power it on and immediately press and hold Command and R until you see the Apple logo. Once in macOS Recovery, select Disk Utility from the Utilities window. Carefully erase the Macintosh HD volume and any other data volumes you might have. This action securely deletes all data, ensuring it cannot be recovered by others. Once drivers are installed, add your printer to your laptop system. Open your laptop settings and find the Printers and Scanners section, then select Add a printer or scanner. Your laptop will now search for available devices where you should see your X printer. Select it to complete the integration, making sure to set it as your default printer if you choose. This finalizes the basic setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.